Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has been playing around and adding a beta version of its Scareware tracker. So Scareware is when you go to online websites and you have, of course, the possibility of a pop-up on some websites that might say, oh, you're infected with viruses. You should call this tech support number of Microsoft, which is a fake, of course, thing. So this is what it actually shows up on a website that could be potential Scareware website. It would tell you that the site looks suspicious and so on. But they are also adding a AI portion of this Scareware tracking, and it's actually live. So AI actually learns from the web pages and can detect even a page that it doesn't know, which is Scareware, just by the way it is designed, and pop up such a message and say, well, this page looks suspicious. Now, the Scareware blocker is being tested. You can actually turn it on in your own browser if you wish to try it. So if you go to your Edge browser, go into the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, go into your settings. And here, go into Privacy, Search, and Services, and go down the page. And below Security, you will see Scareware Blocker Preview. It is off by default. You can turn it on and try it out. And of course, if you do go across a website that seems to be suspicious, it will not only possibly tell you that this is a bad page, but it will also, like I said, learn from the experiences of your browsing and in real time detect if the page is a Scareware type page. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.